In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date field in DocHub. If you're creating forms, contracts, or any document that needs a clear, standardized date, adding a dedicated date field is the easiest way to make sure entries are accurate and consistent. First, open your PDF in DocHub. Head over to DocHub.com in your browser, then upload or open the document you want to edit. Give it a moment to load fully so all the editing tools are available. If your document has multiple pages, it helps to navigate to the exact page and area where you plan to place the date so you can work precisely. Next, enable form editing mode. Look at the top toolbar and click either Fields or Prepare Form, depending on how it's labeled in your version. Turning this on unlocks the interactive form tools and tells DocHub you're building a fillable form, not just annotating. You'll know you're in the right mode when you see options for different field types and your cursor changes to allow field placement. Now select the Date Field tool. In the Field options, choose Date Field. On some setups, it may be called Date Picker. This specialized field adds a small calendar interface for the person filling out the form, making it easy to pick a date and reducing errors from manual typing. In many cases, the date field will also enforce a standard format, which helps keep your document neat and consistent. Finally, place the date field on your document. Move your cursor to the exact spot where you want the date to appear and click once to insert it. If you'd like it larger or smaller, click and drag the corners to resize until it matches your layout. You can click and drag to reposition it if you need to nudge it into alignment with a label like Date. Zooming in can make fine placement easier, and snapping guides may appear to help you line things up with other fields or text. If you make a mistake, simply undo or adjust the field. Nothing is permanent until you're happy with the placement. When you click the field in edit mode, you may see options to tweak its appearance or behavior, like the displayed date format, depending on your account and document settings. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, enable form tools, choose the date field, and place and resize it where you want. With these steps, your document is ready for clean, calendar-based date entry that looks professional and works smoothly for anyone filling it out.